What are the effects of bad posture on the muscular and skeletal systems? And your mothers all told you to sit up straight when you were a kid. And if you did, you were smarter than me, having 11 surgeries by now. I have 3 artificial discs in my low back and 2 fusions. And I know if I don't sit straight and keep good posture and keep my core strong, I ache. Just going and brushing my teeth and being bent forward puts extra force loads and stresses on the facet joints above my artificial discs and causes back achy pain. But keeping good posture, we minimize pressures on the discs, your normal discs and our artificial discs, and your facet joints. This helps keep you from having pain and inflammation and overstress of the joints causing failure.